Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a gel manicure. And I'm going to show you guys how to do this, how I always do it. All you are going to need is your UV light. You're going to need base coat and top coat. This is my gel polish I use. It's in the brand Red Carpet, which you can get from Walmart, Target, Ulta, Amazon, wherever you guys want to get that. Obviously, you'll want to use whatever polish color. So my gel color I'm going to use is in the shade, oh my goodness, does it even say? Prim and Proper. And again, this is also Red Carpet. I do use the Prep here. It's up to you guys if you want to use this or not. You'll need a fingernail polish remover and then also cotton, like cotton balls and rubbing alcohol. And this again is very important. This you are going to use at the very end to get all that sticky stuff off when you are done with your nails. So go ahead and get everything ready and I will explain how to do it all. Okay, so I have my nails ready to go here. I am going to use my pure acetone polish remover to get my polish off. I think it works a lot better and a lot quicker than using a non-acetone remover. So I'm just going to use my cotton ball here and remove the polish off each of my nails. Now that I have that all done, I do like to use my nail filer here, and I do go around the actual cuticles of my nails just to get any loose skin off. If you don't have one of these, that is completely fine. You can skip this step. Now that I am done with that, I am going to go ahead and use my remover again with a cotton swab or cotton ball and just get that loose skin off of my nails. And now it's time to start. So I'm going to start with the Prep here and just put this on my nails. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and use my base coat. Make sure that you get the base coat on, not too thick and not too thin, and make sure to cover your full entire nail. The only way the polish will stick is if it's under this actual or over this base coat here. Okay, so I have that done, so now I'm going to turn on my UV light and I am going to let them sit in here for 45 seconds. Okay, so that is all done. Now I'm ready to add the polish color. So I have my Red Carpet Prim and Proper color here. I'm gonna shake it up. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. We wanna do 2 coats. So this is gonna be coat number 1. Try as hard as you can not to get it on the actual skin around your nails. That will cause your nails to start, or the polish to start lifting a lot easier, and then it won't stay on for the full 2 weeks. Okay, so I have that done. I'm gonna turn my UV light back on, and this is going to sit now for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to go with coat number 2. Again, not too thick and not too thin. And this is going to go in the light again for 30 seconds. Now I'm ready for the top coat. Okay, now that I'm all done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and put it back under the light for 45 seconds. Okay, now that that is all done, I'm gonna go ahead and use my rubbing alcohol, and this is to get all that sticky stuff off of the nail here. They are completely dry now too, so you do not have to worry about any of the color coming off. So add the rubbing alcohol to the cotton swab and just swipe each nail. And that hand is completely done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just do it with the other hand, exactly the same steps here, just a little bit faster. Okay, so here is the final product. Yeah, looking good and shiny. I know my nails are like super short and kind of ugly-ish, but that's okay, whatever. So hopefully this video helped you guys. I know I had some issues along the way with trying to work in such a small area doing my nails, but I think for the purpose of the video, it worked. Let me know if you guys have any questions or comments below. Please subscribe to my channel if you like the videos that I make, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.